everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to cancel PayPal payment. If you are looking for a way to cancel a pending PayPal payment, then here is how you do it. Open your PayPal application or website and log into your account first. Before proceeding, let me tell you that you can only cancel a PayPal payment if it is still in a pending or unclaimed status. If the payment has already been completed, then you will not be able to cancel it, but you can request a refund from the recipient. From the home section of PayPal, go ahead and tap on Wallet at the bottom right corner. In the Wallet section, tap on Activity at the top, and all of your payment and all of your pending payment will be displayed on the page. If you don't see any payments list, that means you have not made any transactions whatsoever. But if you see a list over here and if you find a status for the payment that says pending or unclaimed, then simply click on the transaction to open the details, and if the option is available, click on cancel and confirm the cancellation. So that is how you will be able to cancel a payment, but make sure to cancel a pending payment or unclaimed payment, since you will not be able to cancel a payment which has already been made. So that's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful and informative to you. If it was, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Tech Basics for more PayPal tips and tricks. I will be back again with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.